Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6156. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, bull tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, bull tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,